Number 230. A 16-foot by 8-foot rectangular map is reduced so that its width is 4 decimeters. What is the area of the new map in square decimeters? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 32, 64, 16, 8, and 4. Okay, so this is all about area of a rectangle and proportion, ratio and proportion. Okay, so we will convert first a 16-foot by 8-foot rectangular map is reduced so that its width is 4 decimeters. Okay? So we will solve first the length by using ratio and proportion. So its width is 4 decimeters. So we have 16 foot by 8 foot. So therefore, 16 is the length, the longer, and then 8 is the width. So therefore, this 4 decimeter, this is the width. Okay, so reduce so that its width is 4 decimeter. So we are looking for the length. Okay, so therefore the proportion for this, so we just write L and W. L is 16 and then W is 8, and then we will convert to decimeters. So this 4 decimeters is the width. So we write that in the column for W, and then we're looking for L. So let's just write N. And then this is direct proportion. So we just form the equation. So we can use 16 is to 16 is to 8 equals N is to 4. Or we can use fraction. If we use fraction, that will be 16 over 8 equals N over 4. Okay? So if we use this, so just product of means, so we have 8N is equal to 16 times 4, the product of the extreme, 16 times 4. Or if we use fraction, we can just cross multiply. So we will get the same answer. Okay? So let's just use this. So we have divide both sides by 8 to solve for N. So therefore, the value of N is equal to 16 times 4 divided by 8. We can divide first. So 16 divided by 8, that is equal to 2. And then multiply this 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. So therefore, if the width is 4 decimeters, the length is 8 decimeters. Now, let's find the area. So the area, what is the area of the new map in square decimeters? So the formula for area of rectangle is equal to length times width. So just substitute the given in square decimeters. So therefore, we will use this 8 and 4. Okay, so the area will be 4 or L is 8. So we have 8 times 4. That is equal to 32 square decimeters. Okay, square decimeters. So therefore, the answer is letter A, 32. So follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, math and logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito na mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.